Hi folks, welcome to this little video. It's regarding the DJI Action Camera. Just to show you what I've done basically is I've bought compatible batteries for it. I actually got them quite cheap, which I'll explain to you in a little bit, but I want to just check everything or show you everything working. What I've done is the original battery, which is in the camera itself, was charged up 5 weeks ago. So we're now going to check it to see what power is actually on the battery. It's been left in the camera. I'll just check that just now, and on there it says 87%. Okay, so as I say, in here is the original battery, so I'm going to take that out just now, and what we'll do is it just pops out like that, as you can see. And what we'll do, that's the original there, is this one I've already opened obviously and charged them up 5 weeks ago at the same time as this one. However, these have not been left in the camera, so I'm now going to check to see what power are actually left in these, and I'll let you see this just now, if I can just get them open. Okay, that's the first one. Now the other thing I've got to say, folks, is these batteries do fit in quite snugly, the same as the original. They do snap in quite easily, and we'll just switch it on and see what power's in this one. So on this one here there's 98%, so going down to 97%, obviously just to settle, but I'll just do it one more time just to check. One more time, coming on, and it's sitting at 97%. Okay, so that there is a compatible battery. Alright, and as you can see, fits in perfectly, no problem at all. So we'll take this one out again, and you can see also that they do pop up quite easily. Okay, that's that one. Got another one in here which will open. Okay, we'll put that one in also. Hope you can see this okay. And that's it, snapped in place. We'll check this one out, switch it on. This one says 100%, but I think that'll settle also. No, 100%, so we'll just do that one more time. It should settle down a little bit more. Just check it one more time. And it's 97%, so that's roughly where I'd expect it to be. Having said that, for 5 weeks holding charge as it has, that really is quite remarkable, to be honest. I'm quite impressed by that, so we'll put that off now. So again, like I said, as you can see, the batteries fit in really well. There's nothing at all to stop them going in and popping out like that, as you can see. Straightforward. So what I'm going to tell you about these batteries now is, as you can see, that's the original there. Alright, but the batteries themselves, being compatibles, is well worth the price. It should also mention that it comes with a battery charger to charge 3 batteries. At the top you have the red and the green lights, obviously red when charging, green when it's fully charged, and you also have the charging cable which comes with it. Alright, so all that in a box, and for the money, for 2 batteries and the charging cable, was £15. The original battery, which is this one, retail in the region of between £35 and £40 to buy. I've seen them at that price. You may be able to get them cheaper now, but I have seen them at that price, £35 to £40 for one battery. There you could probably have 4 batteries for the price of one. Now I've just shown you that they fit in perfectly well. They do hold a charge. That's 5 weeks ago they were charged, and there's there's plenty charge left in them, and so I certainly won't have any hesitation in using them. Not a lot more I can say about it. They also come with their little boxes to keep them protected, and for £15 you really can't go wrong. Where'd I get them? I got them on Amazon. Alright, Amazon for £15, and I'll try and put a link up in the description below, and if I can find out the buyer that I actually got them from again on Amazon. I did have to wait about a week for delivery, but that really didn't bother me too much because I wasn't in a hurry. But as you can see there, they do a perfect job. These batteries I've seen, again, compatibles with charger on sale, again for the region of £40 to £45. So when I seen them for £15, I was a little bit sceptical. However, at the end of the day, I thought I'll take a punt on them, and I'm really pleased I did. So hope that kind of lets you see that the compatibles are available for your DJI Action Camera, and they do work. There's no problem, no doubt about that. They fit in perfectly well, no problem with that either. So if you get any questions or anything, folks, just leave them down below in the link, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And if I can just ask one other favour, if you don't mind, could you please just press the wee subscription button? I could be doing with some more subscriptions, and it helps me to encourage me to upload more videos. So thanks for watching, folks. Until the next time.